Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from 915 Aesthetics. We're also going to be creating a set of press-ons today on the shape Short Coffin, and we're going to pull in the gel method today. So we're going to be creating a Memorial Day mani, but yet you could also use this for 4th of July because they're both right around the corner. So we are doing the gel method today, and we're going to start off with Latte. Now the colors that we're using today kind of remind me of like a vintage 4th of July kind of style, with just how like these colors look together. I love these colors. These are all solids and they definitely are must-have staple colors. If you are looking to build up your collection with great solid quality, like high quality solids, 915 Aesthetics is gonna be the way to go. So since we are doing the gel method today, after each dip, and I'm gonna go ahead and just gently press everything down, and then I'm gonna cure each coat for a full 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dust off, and then we'll repeat that same process with all the nails here. We're gonna end up doing 2 coats of each color. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these gorgeous colors and see them in action. Then I'm gonna pop back in when it's time to do a little bit of fun nail art.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
All right, and here's what we're working with. I did the filing and buffing off camera. I just cleaned up the sidewall since everything was laying really flat. So this set right here looks perfect with these colors alone, but we're gonna go ahead and add some nail art. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a layer of gel base to all of the nails, and then I'm gonna cure for 30 seconds. And I did that to all of the nails. That's gonna give the nails a little bit of a tacky surface. Also, since we are incorporating some stamping, if we do mess up, that stamping polish isn't gonna absorb into those powders, and we could just gently wipe off that stamping image if we did mess up with a little bit of acetone, and we will not affect the powder that we just applied. So what I did is I picked two colors here. We're kind of doing like a little bit of an ombre gradient effect with these really fun stars. And then I'm going to clean up the image just a little bit here with a lint roller. I find the lint roller works best when I'm trying to clean up that stamper here. And now we have this really fun image here that you can incorporate not only for Memorial Day, which is right around the corner, but for the 4th of July as well. And then I just went ahead and placed that stamp image right onto that nail here. I will say that layer of the gel base, it gave that nail a little bit of a tacky surface. So then it effortlessly kind of just translated that image directly to the nail with little to no effort at all. And then to clean up the plate here, I'm taking a little bit of acetone on this cute little pineapple cotton grabber thingy here, which is adorable. And we're going to do the exact same process here on the latte nails. So both latte nails are going to have this combination here of the fun red and blue. So when you are working with the stamping polish, you do want to work fast. Once you go ahead and apply that stamping polish, go ahead and scrape that off right away, clean up your stamper, and then you can go ahead and apply that image. I will say the stamping polishes and the plates from Maniology are definitely the easiest for me. I struggle with stamping. A few years ago, I bought a stamping set from Amazon, and it was by far the most frustrating experience ever, where I kind of just threw it all away, and I was like, I'm never going back to stamping until I was sent some Maniology products a while back ago, and I was playing with them, and I couldn't believe how easy it was to actually pick up the image with the stamper and how easy the image transferred from the stamper to the nail. So I was like, okay, I must have just had a bad experience with that brand that I bought from Amazon. But I'm telling you, if you've ever struggled with stamping, Maniology is definitely the way to go. All right, so now we're incorporating a totally different nail stamping plate, and we're pulling in some white. So we're gonna focus on the color nails here. And right here, I am trying to stamp the individual stars on this nail without kind of pressing too hard to get all 3 stars on the nail at once, because I wanted to strategically place them. So that's what I was doing right there. I was really focusing on pressing down that area of the stamper where just that 1 star was, what I wanted to use. But again, we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of white here, and then just angle that scraper down, and just with a gentle hand scrape off that remaining polish, and then roll that stamper here, and then you're going to pick up a really clean image. Now, the first couple times I tried stamping, I really had to make sure I wasn't scraping too hard or pressing that stamper too hard down and rolling it onto that plate, because if you are pressing too hard on that stamper when you're rolling it, you also may not be picking up the image. So just a delicate hand when it comes to scraping and rolling that stamper on the plate. All right, so we're adding a few more stars here to the final nail here, and I was really debating on where I was gonna line these up. So you can see here, I can see the bottom of the stamper because it has that clear bottom, so I can really see where I was placing this. The only thing I did not like, it had a couple dots on there, and that was part of the stamping plate, so I just removed those little polka dots with a little bit of acetone. And now to finish this mani, we're going to seal it in with a little bit of gel top coat. And you can see here, this gel top coat is not smudging the polish or anything like that. I did the rest of the gel top coat off camera and cured. And here's our finished set. It is perfect for upcoming Memorial Day. Now, these colors alone, like I said before, are definitely pulling in some vintage 4th of July. That denim blue, it is everything. Pomegranate, it is just like a muted, beautiful red. And then latte is just like that great, just like beautiful latte color. And it's perfect for any background, or if you love like that all over white mani, but you don't want such like a harsh white and you want to pull in a little bit more ivory, this is definitely going to be the color for you. And you can really see how the stamping just kind of enhanced the mani and the colors that we used. And it was really fun to create. So I hope you enjoyed today's simple mani. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Everything that we did use in today's video can also be found in that description box below. And I'll see you all in the next one.